hustle the money, bring it come. You was the type of girl who hustle the money and bring it blood clot come. And them the work they used to do. And them the work they used to blood clot though. Go hustle the money and can't come blood clot. You may forgot. You forgot your space. You forgot your blood clot space. I mean was the last kid did I mess around. I mean never want your blood clot husband. And your husband hard choose me, I never me choose it. And your man hard choose me, I never me choose it. A man fuck on and scan and look like peas. Remember I wanna think. Remember I wanna think. All in a blood clot coffin box are rotten. Dirty blood clot, girl. Come up on that platform and make it to add you. Let me go at it. Cause since you walk around by him, come with the conversation and suck with blood clot, dirty. AIDS body blood clot, girl. One lick up battle like dog. Your husband eats because you stink. Your husband eats because you stink. Your husband eats because you stink. You stink. You stink and you're not blood clot wink. Come here so good girl. Cause you run up in a ratchet blood clot back like you know something about blood clot me. So you can go down a Catholic blood clot store go beg. You run out on a blood clot by your argument. I tell you, I just remember say your man used to look me for fuck. That you should have tell Roger. You should have tell Roger say your man used to look me for fuck. That should I tell blood clot Roger. Say me get when my move, you coulda get the man. You should have tell her just when me move from spoilers, you coulda get the man. That should I tell Roger. And when me leave from Wyman Street, you coulda get kid. You coulda get blood clot, yes sir. Cause just never blood clot want you. Just you so take your blood clot money you walk and beg it and beat you. Everything you walk and enough for blood clot inna. Like you're any blood clot bad girl. Tough me tired of you. You run up in a blood clot box and a chat. You ever just see me and do the next blood clot but stinking more thinking rotten pussy blood clot girl. All them a shit house yeah. Them a dog vomit a come and blood clot people. But you run up in a blood clot box. Remember say me get the button from the blood clot race. So cool dirty big man. Go you move your nasty think pussy think blood clot when I go look for your camera be for them you can't blood clot right. Remember man fuck on and scan on look like peas.